Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. Imagine standing in a massive concrete basin where an ocean giant rests on towering wooden blocks, completely exposed to the open air. This is the realm of a dry dock project engineer, a high-stakes arena where multi-million-dollar maritime vessels are lifted out of the water for critical repair, maintenance, and modernization. Every few years, ships must leave their natural element to undergo rigorous hull inspections, structural steel renewals, propeller overhauls, and complete coating applications. The professional orchestrating this entire symphony of heavy industry, tight deadlines, and absolute safety is the dry dock project engineer. From the second a ship enters the dry dock gate to the moment the basin floods and the vessel floats back out, the project engineer holds the reins. This role demands a unique combination of naval architecture knowledge, mechanical engineering expertise, project management acumen, and raw grit. Before the vessel even arrives, weeks of meticulously planned preparation take place. The engineer analyzes ship drawings, calculates weight distribution, sets up block arrangements on the dock floor, and coordinates with specialized subcontractors, ship superintendents, and class surveyors. Once the dock is pumped dry, time becomes the most critical currency. Every single day a commercial ship spends out of service costs its owners vast sums of money in lost charter revenue. The pressure is immense, yet compromise on quality or safety is never an option. The dry dock engineer must inspect blast cleaning operations, check plate thickness with ultrasonic equipment, oversee tailshaft withdrawals, and manage complex pipework replacements, all while leading diverse teams of welders, riggers, painters, and technicians. Unexpected challenges are a daily reality. Hidden corrosion beneath old insulation, damaged sea valves, or misaligned shafts can throw a well-crafted schedule into chaos. A great project engineer thrives on this unpredictability, rapidly troubleshooting technical problems, recalculating budgets, reallocating resources, and making decisive calls on the spot. Communication is the backbone of the job. Navigating between strict international maritime regulations, shipowner expectations, and yard operational capacity requires exceptional diplomatic skill and technical authority. Success in this field brings extraordinary satisfaction. You take an aging, weathered vessel that has battled tough oceans and send it back to sea, fully restored, certified, and ready for years of safe navigation. For anyone passionate about maritime engineering, heavy machinery, and dynamic problem solving, becoming a dry dock project engineer offers a thrilling career path at the absolute heart of global shipping operations. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.